student. This is our third experiment, and under this experiment to study of the triac, right? Triac, to the theoretical background is completed your theory lectures, but under this experiment we are interested to obtain two things. One is VI characteristics of triac on the CRO, and second important point is this key, I want to interested to measure the forward anode current and as well as reverse anode current, and same things forward anode to cathode voltage and reverse anode to cathode voltage, right? So this is our two basic aim under this experiment. For the performing of this experiment we are required some apparatus. So the major apparatus is required. One is triac trailer kit, and second one is called CRO, right? And third one is connecting wires, and some people are called as a probe cards, right? This is the circuit diagram. If you are observing this circuit diagram look like a SCR, right? Only one thing will be changed here. Here we are not using SCR. Instead of the SCR, here we are using the triac, right? So triac, it means triac is nothing else. Triac is the two anti-parallel things, two anti-parallel SCR, SCR1 and SCR2. SCR1 and SCR2 is anti-parallel. Normally, if you are saying that this SCR is having a cathode terminal and this one is called anode terminal, again this one is cathode and this one is anode terminal. According to network theory, this is the common point terminal. That's why here I am not saying that this is anode or this one is cathode. In spite of this particular things here mentioning the MT1 terminal and MT2 terminal, never ever use the anode terminal and cathode terminal. Here I am saying the MT1 terminal and MT2 terminal. This is the basic construction. We can say the symbolic. Now we are interested to show the symbolic representations of the triac. This is the symbolic representation of the triac, and triac is also having three terminal device: MT1 terminal, MT2 terminal, third one is called as a gate terminal. And this gate terminal, this gate terminal and this gate terminal are connected to each other and make a one terminal point, right? And this is the constructional view diagram of the triac. Here I am not explaining the construction view. This construction view will explain in your theory lectures, right? Now we are interested to how to run triac, right? How to working of the triac, how to obtain the VI characteristics of the triac. First conditions, across the terminal 1 and terminal 2 we are providing the single phase AC supply, and during this single phase AC supply this is called as a half sine wave, right? A positive half sine wave, right? And this one is called as a negative half sine wave, right? Positive and negative. This is the positive portion and this one is called as a negative portion. Whenever the positive terminal will be appear across the terminal 1 and terminal 2, terminal 1 become the positive with respect to terminal 2. Once the terminal 1 is positive with respect to terminal 2, then what happens? If you are observing this is having in the reverse bias conditions and this one is a forward bias conditions. Forward bias condition, SCR2 is forward bias conditions, so that conditions we can say current is flowing like this manner, and on state conditions current is during the positive half cycle. During the positive half cycle this characteristics look like the SCR characteristic, because SCR2 is on state condition. The rest of the thing why this characteristic shifted to here, right? It is referred by the SCR characteristics. The concept is same behind this particular things. But during the negative half cycle, if you are observing that during the negative half cycle the positive terminal become negative and negative terminal become positive. It means what happened? This become negative and this become negative terminal and this become the positive terminal. Once this become positive terminal and this become the negative terminal, then what happened? This SCR is having on state condition and this SCR is having in the off state condition. The current is flowing like this direction, right? Current is flowing like this direction. It means what happened? This is the reverse fourth quadrant operations. The characteristics look like this condition. This is the look like conditions, right? This characteristics. Then when again if you are observing why this reverse breakover voltage is shifted to here, right? Follow the SCR characteristics. The concept behind the shifting of this position to this position is simply like a SCR conditions. One more thing, SCR is a unidirectional switch, right? Or unidirectional device, but this is called as a bidirectional. Why we can say bidirectional? If you are observing the y-axis and this y-axis, so this is the positive y-axis, this one is a negative y-axis. During the positive we are observing some amount of current, and if you are observing this positive x-axis and negative x-axis, during the negative x-axis we will appear the voltage, right? Positive x-axis we are appearing the positive voltage, and negative x-axis we are appearing the negative voltage. It means the voltage blocking capability is available and current is flowing. The current is both direction, positive direction as well as negative direction. That's why we can say it is a bidirectional switch, right? Triac is called as a bidirectional switch. One more important point is, now our aim is this, how to we are interested to view the VI characteristics on CRO, right? So after understanding of the theoretical background, right, we will move to the trainer kit, and on that trainer kit also measure the some value of current, right? That current is called forward current and reverse current, and forward voltage and reverse voltage. If you are observing in this characteristic, so this portion is called as a forward voltage and this portion is called as a reverse voltage. If you are observing, this portion is called as a forward current and this portion is called as a reverse current, right? So later, just after 2 to 3 seconds, we will move to the trainer kit, right? This is the called trainer kit. So, after understanding of the theoretical background of Triac, now we will interested to view the VI characteristics of Triac, right? So for the view, or we can say seeing the VI characteristics of Triac, right, we are moved to trainer kit. This is our trainer kit. In this trainer kit, what happened, we are having one Triac, right? This is the Triac. Triac is, we know that very well, 3-terminal device, empty-1 terminal, this one is empty-1 terminal, this is empty-2 terminal, or this one is a call as a gate terminal. Same thing like a SCR. This is, if you want to observe the VI characteristics of the Triac, we are required to test terminals, right? So this is called as the test terminal, empty-1 terminal, empty-2 terminal, or this one is called as a gate terminal. The empty-1 terminal is connected to empty-1, empty-2 terminal is connected to empty-2, and gate terminal is connected to gate terminal. And after connections of this particular things, now we are interested to provide the single phase AC supply across the empty-1 terminal and empty-2 terminal. So right here we can say that this is the AC supply and this is phase terminal, or this one is a reference. This phase is connected to here and this reference is connected to here. Connections is very easy. And second important point is this, here mentioning x-axis oscilloscope, right? Y-axis oscilloscope and x-axis oscilloscope, right? It means here we are connecting the channel number 2, or here we are connecting the channel number 1, right? Channel number 1 is a x-axis, channel number 2 is a y-axis. So remember, all those things is mentioned in this particular kit. The connections is very easy. After understanding of these connections, now we are interested to connect this particular thing. So this is our gate point and gate terminal is connected to gate point, right? Second positions, we are interested to empty-1 terminal is connected to empty-2 terminal. This is empty-1 terminal, this one is called empty-2 terminal. Now third point is empty-2 terminal, right? So this one is our empty-2 terminal is connected to empty-2 terminal. After connections of this particular things, now we are interested to connect the supply. This is supply is connected to here. One more point here, reference point. The reference point is connected to here. Now we are interested to reference point is connected to here. And then we are interested to x-axis channel, right? This one is a x-axis channel. Number 1 is called x-axis. This x-axis channel is having again same two things. One is positive or second one is negative. This positive, so this negative terminal is connected to reference positions and this one is connected to positive. This one is x. So we can observe here is x is here, right? X-axis oscilloscope. This x-axis oscilloscope is connected to here, right? Second important point is, now we are interested to y-axis channel, right? Where is y-axis channel? This one is called as a y-axis channel. The y-axis channel, it means same thing. Reference point is connected to reference terminal and this point is connected to test terminal of the y-axis. So this is y-axis test terminal point. The y-axis is connected. Connection is over. Same things mentioned here. This is the 10x cable, 1 point and 10x point, and this one is also 10x cable. 10x cable is 1 point and 2 point, right? Now connections is over. After connections of the after connecting this Triac practicals, now we are interested to see the VI characteristics of this Triac. So this is the power supply of the panel, right? The power supply will be on. After providing the supply, now this switch is on, right? When we are switching, this switch will be on, this switch will be on. This is the your CRO, right? CRO, the adjustment of CRO is able to look like the same, right? No change whenever we are doing the CRO conditions, right? Though second important point is this: whenever you want to observe these characteristics, stop. Understanding of the triac, right? We want to interested to see the VI characteristics of triac, how to see the VI characteristics of triac. So in this CRO having some problem, that's why we will see the characteristics of triac in DSO, right? In this DSO, again same procedure, how to measure this value, auto reshape, and then select the XY positions. After selecting of these positions, this is the triac characteristics. When we are changing the gate terminal positions, right? Here I am changing the gate terminal positions. If you are observing, so this characteristics look like a triac. Just you can observe your theory characteristics bidirectional. It's like this, and it like this and this direction. Now if you want to move this in x-axis and y-axis, so this is your y-axis position, this one is your x-axis. If you want to interested to move in right and left condition, so it depends. If you are providing the, suddenly we are increasing the, if we are decreasing the this voltage will be increases, this voltage will be decreases, it means we are minimize the triggering conditions, right? If this voltage will be decreased, continuously decrease, it means we are increasing the voltages, we are increasing triggering voltage will be increases. This is the VI characteristics. Now we are interested to measure the forward voltage and reverse voltage, forward current and reverse current, right? So if you are want to interested to forward voltage, so this is your forward voltage, this position is forward voltage, this is reverse voltage, and this position is called as a reverse current, and this position is called as a forward current. Now I want to interested to see this VI characteristics on CRO, right? So here I will connect to CRO here from this circuitry. Just give 1 second to connect this. The Y position is connecting to here, right? X and Y positions, after connecting of X and Y positions, reshape this particular things, and dual operations and dual then to display. So we will go to display and X and Y positions, and X and Y positions. So here having some error signal will be occurred. Due to that error signal, what happened, we can't see the VI characteristics. That's why here I am using the DSO. With the help of DSO you can observe these characteristics. Thank you all.